Hello students, today's class is for class 8. In our previous class we have explained about some algebraic formulas and have discussed about true false statement. So today we shall continue the class and we'll discuss about some more true false statement and some more problems. Okay. So we are again explaining some true false statement. Okay. True or false. In the previous class we have explained about two statements, and now I am giving another statement, that is if a square plus ab plus b square is multiplied by a plus b then the product will be equal to a cube plus b cube. So they are multiplying a square plus ab plus b square with a plus b. They are multiplying. So first multiply a plus b with a square plus ab plus b square. What we shall get? It is a plus a square, a cube a plus ab, a square b plus a and b square, that is ab square, plus b and a square b plus b and ab square and b and b square, that is b cube. We have got this. So if we just sum up, that there is 2a square b. So 2a square b, so first writing a cube plus 2a square b, and there is 2ab square plus 2ab square plus b cube. So this is definitely not the formula of a cube plus b cube. Okay, this is not, we are not getting a cube plus b cube. Then the product will be equal to a cube plus b cube. But we are not getting a cube plus b cube. We are getting two extra terms, that is 2a square b and 2ab square. We are getting these two extra. Okay, so the statement becomes false. This is a false statement. Okay, next statement. Next, if a square, second statement, if a square minus ab plus b square, if a square minus ab plus b square is multiplied by a plus b, then the product will be equal to, equal to what? A cube minus b cube. Okay, do it. Multiply a plus b with a square minus ab plus b square. Multiply a plus b with a square minus ab plus b square. So at first a cube, then plus minus, there plus minus a square b, and then a b square plus a b square. Again a square b plus a square b. This plus minus, that is ab square, and for here plus b cube, b square into b, that is b cube. So we can see that here a square b and a square b, they cut down, plus and minus, and here also plus ab square and minus ab square cut down. Okay, so the remaining part is a cube plus b cube. So we are getting a cube plus b cube, and the question is saying, the statement is saying to get a cube minus b cube. These two are not same. Okay, so the statement is not correct, and we should say this is a false statement. Okay, we should say this is a false statement. Okay, now come to next statement. Come to the next statement. The next statement is if p equal to, third, if p equal to a cube plus b cube and q equal to a plus b and r equal to a square minus ab plus b square and r equal to a square minus ab plus b square, then what? Then p equal to qr. The statement is that. Okay, so let's check. If p equal to a cube plus b cube, q equal to a plus b, r equal to that, p equal to qr. So you have to first find the product qr. Find qr, that is the product of q and r. Q is a plus b, and r is a square minus ab plus b square. Previously we have done this problem, and again we are doing this, that is multiply a cube minus a square b plus ab square, and for this plus we are multiplying this with b, then plus a square b minus ab square plus b cube. So these two are cut down. This problem is actually the same with the previous problem. This is the same statement of previous statement, but in a different way. We are presenting this in a different way. Okay, so this becomes a cube plus b cube, and this a cube plus b cube, the statement is saying equal to p. Okay, so we can write here p. So here definitely qr becomes equal to with p, and the statement is saying p equal to qr. So the statement is correct, and we can say that this is a true statement. This is a true statement. Okay, now let us discuss another more statement. More statement. Okay, it is saying 4. If a minus pb whole cube, if a minus pb whole cube equal to 0, then what? P equal to a by b. If a minus pb whole cube equal to 0, then p equal to a by b. So you just put, how can you solve it? You just put p equal to a by b to this expression. Okay, so they have given a minus pb, and we are putting the p value. What is the p value? A minus p value is a by b, and it is multiplied by b. Okay, it is whole cube, and b cut down, numerator and denominator. It remains a minus a whole cube. It becomes 0. So 0 cube means 0. So they have said that a minus pb whole cube will be 0, then p equal to a by b. And when we are putting p equal to a by b, we are getting absolutely 0. So the result matches. and the statement becomes, the result matches and the statement becomes a true statement, right? So up to this we have discussed some true false statement, and in the next class we'll discuss some different problems. Okay, so up to this